Hello guys, can you hear me? Please reply in chat. Oh. Okay, we'll start with this. I think everybody got this StocksKhoj indicator. If you are opening this Nifty chart, it will show something like this here. It will be jammed, like it will be upon each other. It's because it's plotted on basis of time, so our market ended, so it will not show properly. So I'm just opening the chart of XGS Nifty here, so you can see it's proper. So like usual, the indicator will be available in the invite only scripts. So you have to apply it here. So by default I have added 38 stocks of Nifty here. Okay, I'll show you some tricks how to add more stocks if you want, or use this indicator in some other way. So first, when you add here, you can see uptrend, downtrend, trend change, and potential reversal. So what are they? I'll explain one by one. Uptrend is that stocks that have already generated buy signal and it is trading above it. And downtrend are the stocks that are generated the sell signal and are trading in the sell signal. Trend change, you have to look here. The stocks that are given the buy or sell signal will come here in like last candle. For example, now one candle is running and it has given buy or sell signal in the last candle, it will show here. Or else if the candle has not closed and it is very near to buy sell signal, this potential reversal will show that stock here. So in live market, if you want a new fresh signal, you can look at the trend change and potential reversal. And if you already want to check out stocks that are in uptrend and market is in uptrend, you want to trade stocks that are in uptrend, you can select stocks from here also. And same for downtrends. So there are other ways to like use this indicator also. First of all, you can see here, you go to setting. Okay, you go to inputs. You can change the stocks here if you want. Like if you like Jubilant Food, or so you add the same ID that is in the trading view. Okay, don't just add any other name. Like you first check what is the ID of the Jubilant Food, JUBLFOOD. Okay, you want to change the stock, go to setting, change the stock to Jubilant Food. You can do this for everything. Then you can see here there are show trend change, potential reversal. Like if you just want to see these two, you can untick this. So you can see here the uptrend and downtrend is not available, only you can see the trend change and potential reversal. It's up to you. So there's flexibility in this indicator. So I'll show you another way to use this indicator. You can add 2 indicators or 3. Maybe in free version of TradingView you already have one indicator profit coach, so you can add I think 2 more StocksKhoj. And here you can put another 38 stocks. You have 38 plus 38 now 76 stocks. Or you can use it in other way. Like here I have already mentioned here. You can see here. Cancel this. You can see I have added the index here. Okay, if there is any change it will come here. If you see here, Bank Nifty, CNS 500, FMCG is, for example, you see FMCG has come here, trend change. Okay, so what you have to do is go to any FMCG sector, check these. First you have to create a watch list, like the one I'll show you. Create a watch list like banks, CNX Finance, CNS IT, like for IT sectors. I have created here a watch list for every sector. So like this you can prepare a watch list. Then if you see a buy signal in infra, check the stocks which are above this infra. Like for Adani, you will see the Adani has given buy signal here, an entry here somewhere. So you got the point. So anybody have any questions regarding this? It will be not a big session, it's a short session just for the indicator and how to use it. See, I have added here Bitcoin, crude oil, whatever you want you can add, but the list will be 38, it will not increase. If you are a Bank Nifty player, just add the names of all the banks in the Bank Nifty here. Rest you can put it blank. You can see only Bank Nifty stock which are in uptrend, downtrend. You can make a decision based upon that. We'll check if it is working or not. I have some screenshots from yesterday. So we can check. Okay, yesterday at 2:35 we had 5 stocks: Sun Pharma, Cipla, Infi, Asian Paint and Britannia. So we'll check if there is buy signal generated here at 2:35. Sun Pharma. Okay, buy or sell anything. You can see here at 2:30 the sell signal was generated and it gave a the trend change. Then we have Cipla. Same here you can see sell signal was generated at 14:30. And when the next channel start forming, it will generate the signal. Then we have Infi. Okay, one more thing about this stock is, like if it goes above the buy signal again, it will generate a signal again. For example, a buy signal is generated here. Now it will generate a signal here, right, on the next candle. So whenever the stock moves back up, it will generate a buy signal again. So here it generated sell signal because of the last sell signal here. Maybe it was generated here, and again when it crossed that level, it generated a sell signal here. So we can see if we can improve upon this. So there are some improvements still left in this, but I do not want to wait until this. Well, it's okay, working fine. So that's why I launched this. There are still many improvements coming on the way. The people trading, for them it's good, like it gives stocks. If there is no buy signal, you can see here the sell signal, the sell point was here. So when the stock moved below this, it generated a sell signal here, right? Not on the actual StocksKhoj indicator, but here. So it will check for the last buy and the last sell. That's how it works. So moving on, next we have Asian Paints. Yeah, also these, they will give some of the breakouts. Okay, you can see here there was a breakout here, so it generated a signal at 14:35. see here, the buy signal was generated, and again when it crossed above it, it generated a signal here. So that is how this works. So you have any questions regarding this? Intention name of the stock will appear in case of a buy signal generated. Yeah, it will definitely give the name of the stock, but also if a buy signal is generated and the stock moves below the buy signal and again comes back up, it will again generate a signal here. So it will take the last buy signal and last sell signal, and whenever the stock moves above or below them, it will generate a signal. There could be some improvements coming in the future, but for now it's like that. I think it I think this is better for me. Like, it is giving many stocks at a time. You can check this. If there is no buy sell signal, you can avoid it, or if you want to take that trade, you can take based upon your strategy. Okay, is it okay now? See here, it gave a potential reversal in CNX Auto. So we'll see what is potential reversal. See, the next candle did not start forming and it gave a sell signal. So when the next candle starts forming, only then it will come in the trend change. If this candle is in progress, it will come here. So you can check the stock out immediately, like it's going to give a buy or sell signal. So this is what potential reversal is. So don't trade immediately on potential reversal, because when it can close up and it will not show here, and it will not come in the trend change as well. So it's clear. Anybody has any doubts, please ask in the chat. So nobody has any questions. Shall we close the session now? Okay. What's in WhatsApp? Yeah, what is the question? Ankit? Please add the chart of change the chart to SGH Nifty or any something else that is running right now, so it will be clear. It is based upon timing. So in live market it will show properly. If the market is closed, it will like overlap each other. You can check something like Bitcoin or any other. The market is closed, it will take the last time, and they will usually overlap each other. Okay, then if any questions you can ask on the group. We'll close the session now. See you tomorrow.